This thing checked in at 6550, I believe, when it was a bingo church van. Now it weighs... Yeah, my roof is rough. Yeah, it's rough right here too. Is this about to be a hole? Nah, oh yeah, maybe. Let me put some tape there too. So, van stuff. I took the gutter mount rails off my van. Took the awning off. I had a solar light there, but high top roof. This is going to Utah in a couple of weeks, so prepping this. I'll show you how horrible my roof is. That tape is covering a hole, man. No more solar. Okay, it's time to pull the roof trim off. This is gonna be so ugly to see. Bare metal. It's gonna be so ugly looking at it when I'm on the road to Utah, sleeping in my van for a couple of days, but we got some tools here, so hopefully this process is quick. First choice, pick the right one. There's no way to preserve this, so I'm cutting it. I'm cutting areas that are under the trim like this, so I'll just pull it all out later. Yeah, it's just easier this way. So anything under trim, I'm just cutting it so that I don't risk breaking any of this. You will need good scissors if you want to get this done quick. I'll get this done in about an hour, but Jeff, still have your scissors, man, and these are working great. If your roof looks horrible, look at what you might find under the trim. I could poke a hole through my roof right now. This is bad. I suspected it was bad, so I put all kinds of rubber sealant, and it's coming through. This is a straight up hole right here. So when I'm done, I'm gonna put some T-Rex tape to line it. So for the next couple of weeks, it could, you know, nothing's gonna leak through it. But yeah, this is bad. So if you're thinking about a high top roof, just do it if you already have a bad roof. It might not be savable, man. This is the only thing I could salvage. The overhead vents. So who needs one or two or six? That's one of my car guy things. I hate broken trim pieces, so if you're like that, I save these free of charge if you come to one of the meets. I'm still a few weeks away from the high top roof install, so let me go ahead and put some T-Rex tape right there. And right here, this looks like it's ready to go any second now. I made the hole bigger when I put this on. You could hear it crunching. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on the other side too. Yeah, this thing's due for a high top, man. There's my other excuse right there. I wanted the extra space, the overhead storage for the bags, but yeah, my roof is rough. Yeah, it's rough right here too. Is this about to be a hole? Nah, oh yeah, maybe. Let me put some tape there too. All right, I'll put a bunch of tape here. I know the hole's right here somewhere, and a bunch of tape here, and then I should be good until Utah. Look at that. That is horrible. Yeah, I just took off the solar panels today. You'll see another video pop up here somewhere later. T-Rex tape. So hopefully this will hold up a couple of weeks if it rains, and then the condensation from the morning. That insulation did a great job keeping this roof quiet. This sounds horrible. Hopefully the camera picks it up. It's gonna be a long drive to Utah with this tin roof. Okay, here's my setup. Headed into Utah. Gonna get it weighed right now. And of course, I want to find out how much the high top roof adds to the weight. I want to have the most comprehensive van channel, not just a channel where I film myself eating food. So if you appreciate what I do, give this video a like and a hype. So when I got this weighed as a former church van stock height with the 4 rows of seats, I weighed in at 6550, I believe. I'll go back to the archive footage. So now all the seats removed with the lift kit and 35-inch tires. Let's see if I actually lost a little weight. my new van. I got back up a little more. This thing's really long. There it is. 6560. I'm gonna take out 3 of these bench seats, 3 out of 4. When I did this with my van stock, I did it with a full tank of fuel, so I'm doing the exact same thing. Full tank of fuel with me in it. Here's the weight of my van before the high top roof, 6,800 pounds. I actually weigh more than when this thing was stock. How did that happen? This thing checked in at 6,550, I believe, when it was a bingo church van. Now it weighs 6,800, and I'm actually a little bit surprised. I thought it would weigh about the same. So where did the weight come from? So bigger tires, that's going to weigh more. Lift kit, bigger springs, lift block, that's going to add weight back. This doesn't weigh much. I added this, so this shouldn't weigh too much. Lights, wiring, more lights and wiring. This side ladder right here. So I added 2 ladders, so that ladder right there, and a tow bar, carrying the tow bar with me for the geo tracker. And then we have a high lift jack, steel step, a hitch receiver offset welded here, so that's more weight. Let's look at the inside. Swivel base right there, that added some weight. I took the liner out. That feels like it weighed about 15-20 pounds. So took out all the seats, but then I added this, but I don't think this weighs too much. But then there's a fridge right there. So yeah, I guess I'm up to 6,800 pounds now. So once I get the Wasatch roof in, we'll weigh it again, see how much the Wasatch roof adds to the weight. So I painted the windows black with Plasti Dip, and from the inside it looks horrible. So I believe Etsy sells the big window covers for these two, so I think I'm gonna order them, man. I'm weird, man. I don't want to look at this for 10 hours going to Utah. This is already ugly. Like me and Brooke, we have to sleep in here for 2 days with an ugly roof. And then I could see where the holes are. So you could see the light coming through right there, man. So yeah, I guess it was meant to be to get a high top roof. It's funny because standing's gonna be a bonus. The main reason I want one is because they keep this section in, so you're gonna have an overhead storage with the high top roof in. So standing's just a bonus. I'm looking forward to all the space we're gonna have. But the sound insulation, man, was really good. So I'm gonna tell you this: if you cut it out the way I did, you're gonna get like fiberglass and dust in your eye, and you're gonna feel horrible. So you're gonna need a shower after. I feel a little better. I got super itchy, man. So yeah, it's messy. 20 years of dust, and you know, when you cut it, the fiberglass, you know, ripping up. But there you go. Ready for Utah.